Standard 10th, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1. 7th question. A is equal to set of all natural numbers less than 8. B is equal to set of all prime numbers less than 8. C is equal to set of all even prime number. So, your first subdivision is A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. So, first A you will have to write it, only the conditions are given here. So, according to that we will have to write a set A, set B and set C. So, A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. So, natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less than 8 only is given. So, up to 7 it will go. Then B is equal to set of all prime numbers less than 8. So, prime numbers, as I told you in your second sum, the number which is divisible only by that number, and 1 we will have to see. And starting with 1, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So, 1 you should not write it. So, we will start from 2. So, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 4 is not a prime number because you can divide that by 2. Then 5 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, you can divide that by 3. Then 7 is a prime number, 8, up to 7 only you will have to find it. So, with 7 you can stop it. Now C is equal to, they have given set of all even prime number, but only even prime number is only 2. This 2 from here itself you can see only 2 will be the even prime number. Even number should be there and that too it should be prime number. So even prime number is only 2. So we can declare C is equal to 2. Now going to your sum, left hand side, that is A intersection B, that will be the first step. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, intersection B is 2, 3, 5, 7. So intersection is nothing but your common terms, that is common element, that is the element which is repeated twice. So 2 is here, 3 is here, then 4 is not there, 5 is again it is here, then 7 is here. So we can write it as 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is our A intersection B. Now what you'll have to do is A intersection B cross C. So A intersection B cross C we'll have to find it. So write that A intersection B, what we have found out, that answer cross C is nothing but 2. Now writing your ordered pair, this 2 has to be joined with 2. So 2 comma 2. Then 3. So 3 comma 2. 5, 5 comma 2, then 7, 7 comma 2. So we have completed everything, so you can close our bracket. So this is our left hand side, so we'll just mark it as 1. Now going to our right hand side, A cross C is first step, B cross C is second step, then the intersection. So first we'll go to A cross C. A is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross C is 2. Writing the ordered pair, 1 comma 2, writing all these elements joining with this 2, okay. So it is 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 2, 7 comma 2. So you completed, so you can close the bracket. Then B cross C. B cross C is, your B has to be written, so 2, 3, 5, 7. Then cross C has to be written, it is 2. Now writing the ordered pair again, 2 with this 2, so 2 comma 2. Then 3 with 2, so 3 comma 2. 5 with 2, 5 comma 2. 7 with 2, 7 comma 2. So once you have finished this, the right hand side is A cross C intersection B cross C. So we have got A cross C over there, intersection B cross C. So intersection is again writing the common ordered pairs. Okay, so 2 and 2 is here, 3 comma 2 is there, then 5 comma 2 is here, 7 comma 2. So write only the underlined ordered pairs. So it is 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 7 comma 2. So now check, let me declare this as 2. Check your 1 and 2. All the ordered pairs will be same. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Therefore from 1 and 2, intersection B cross C, that is the left hand side, that is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C, that is the right hand side. So we have got both the answers same. So with this the 7th question, first subdivision is done.